Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make pasta casserole. It's a very easy and delicious recipe. For this recipe I need 3 pounds of ground beef, 3 cups of tomato sauce, 1 box of pasta, half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 7 to 6 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 2 medium onions, 5 small garlics, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. First, I'm going to cook my pasta. I added 8 to 9 cups of water into the pot. I brought it to a boil. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt and a box of pasta. Cook the pasta halfway done because we're going to bake it for half an hour in the oven too. I'm going to use the same pot to cook the beef and make the sauce for the casserole. Sprinkle about 8 to 9 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pot and then add the 3 pounds of ground beef. Cook the beef till all the redness are gone. Then add the 2 chopped medium onions with 5 chopped garlics. Add half a tablespoon of salt and let this cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. Then add about half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of basil leaves. Mix it very well. Then add the 3 cups of tomato sauce. After that, add 1 cup of water. Mix everything very well. Put the lid on and let this cook for about 5 minutes in a medium heat. The sauce is done. Turn off the heat. Now add 2 cups of ricotta cheese into the pot. Mix it very well. This looks very cheesy and creamy. On top of that, add your halfway cooked pasta. Mix it very well. Sprinkle about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil on the bottom of the casserole dish and spread it around. Put 1 layer of the pasta with sauce on the bottom and save the other half for the next layer. Then sprinkle 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and half a cup of Parmesan cheese on top of the first layer. Then add the rest of the pasta and make the second layer. Add another cup of mozzarella cheese with half a cup of Parmesan cheese on top. Preheat the oven to 360 and add 30 minutes timer. So we are going to bake this delicious pasta casserole for 30 minutes in the oven at 360 degrees. After 30 minutes, the delicious pasta casserole is ready. If the top of your casserole is not nice and golden, you could turn on the broil in the oven and leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes. It makes it nice and golden. The delicious ground beef pasta casserole is ready. It smells really good in my kitchen. I made a little bit Caesar salad. I'm gonna serve this delicious pasta casserole with a little bit Caesar salad. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you for watching and I appreciate your support.